Today, Orange County's state attorney took to the podium announcing the charges she plans to file against the accused Pine Hills murderer, Keith Moses.
State Attorney Monique Worrell also provided more details on Moses' criminal history with specifics on what happened when he was arrested as a teenager. WESH 2's Marlene Martinez joins us now live in the studio to walk us through his past run-ins with law and what he now faces.
For the first time, we're hearing from State Attorney Monique Worrell on what exactly happened during Keith Moses' arrests when he was 14 and 15. The state attorney says when she's asked why was he out on the street, she says because none of the offenses would have put him in jail for life.
Provided information regarding
State Attorney Monique Worrell is on the clock. Her office has 1 week left to file charges against the accused Pine Hills killer, Keith Moses.
It is the intention of my office to file the following charges tomorrow in this case.
3 charges of second-degree murder for the killings of Tiana Major, Dylan Lyons, and Natasha Augustine. Next up could be first-degree murder, but that can only happen after a grand jury indictment, which hasn't happened yet.
First-degree murder charges will go before a grand jury at some point, but in order to continue to keep Mr. Moses detained, it is necessary for us to file these charges as holding charges at this time.
On Thursday, Worrell also addressed Moses' juvenile record. This after Sheriff John Mina, Governor Ron DeSantis, and Senator Rick Scott scrutinized the suspect's long criminal history.
It's important to note that although the sheriff went through great lengths to paint a picture that this was a very violent individual with a very violent past, what I can tell you is that there were 4 felonies in Mr. Moses' juvenile history.
Worrell provided these arrest reports for Moses' 4 felony arrests back when he was 14 and 15. In 2 of the cases, the reports say Moses was arrested when he and other people broke into unoccupied vehicles and stole stuff. The 3rd, he was arrested as a passenger in a stolen vehicle. And the last, a robbery and battery arrest.
What's important to understand about the robbery is that although Mr. Moses participated in this robbery, Mr. Moses was not the individual who held the firearm during the commission of the robbery. It's important because facts matter. I know they don't matter to the governor, and I know they don't matter to the senator, and sometimes they don't matter to the sheriff, but facts do matter. And it's important that when we report on things, that we're reporting the actual facts of what took place.
We reached out to the governor, senator, and sheriff's offices today. The governor's office says they expect the state attorney to comply with their request for records. The sheriff's office responded saying vehicle burglary is a felony. On average, 350 firearms are stolen in vehicle burglaries each year, many of those by juveniles. And our deputies know that when people break into cars, that's what they are looking for. We can all agree that facts matter. We're still waiting to hear back from Senator Scott. Nancy.